Welcome to InsideTips channel. Today I will show you something interesting, something really most wanted for YouTube, so stay with me. Finally, I got my Monopod. This is so interesting because this allows me to make detailed shots like unboxings and stuff like that. I will show you right now this shot with my keyboard, and it's so nice to shoot details, to don't see the tripod foot. So let's unboxing this big guy. It's a bar in the right sense of words, but yeah, a monopod. Okay, let's cut this thing here. So good. This protect cover. Okay, I think I don't need that anymore, so let's make a cut section here. We have this white thing, and yeah, I need again this. This is packed very well. Okay, was. Now I make a long cut in this bag. Okay, come on. Oh yeah, this is it. We don't have anything else in this bag. We have this white thing. Okay. Oh, this is so nice. Oh yeah. I just love the sound of unboxing. Fits new, and I enjoy this this sound. Okay, we are already done. Okay, we are here, so yeah, Jesus Christ, this feels so nice. It's steel. This is stainless steel. Oh, it's too heavy. Okay, so we have this bar now. This is all metal. I think here we have metal too. Maybe this it's plastic from here, this screw. But yeah, in a single word, this feels so nice, not cheap. It's so impressive. So yeah, let's test this out. Feels so heavy. It's all metal. Made me think I make the right decision when I buy this big guy. So I buy this thing because maybe sometimes I will put my phone holder on a side, my camera here, or something like that, and you have these two things on the sides to put your camera face down, to don't have that issue with the tripod fits. So yeah, it's a nice thing. I will put a link in the description if you want to buy one of these. It's so impressive. I think it's the most important thing after a tripod and a camera for a YouTube channel. So yeah, place number 3 for this big eye. I think this big eye have 1 kilo and 4,000 grams. So yeah, it's a little bit heavy, but this don't feel cheap. It's feel like a premium bar. I don't like these sounds, but when you mount something, this will not bother you anymore. So yeah, it's number 3 of most wanted. Maybe you should buy one. And because I make a lot of tips in my videos, I will give you a tip about this monopod to make a better view, and you just need to get rid of this. It's a little bit bigger, and you will don't have space to go to the end, so you will have to get rid of this, and this. And this is what I see inside of this thing. So to do that, you need something like this. And to be more easy, I use one of these. You need this for these screwdrivers, and I will show you how to mount this back, because I don't have a video with the extract, so I will place this back to see how to do this. And now I'll go to make some unboxings with this guy over here, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and leave some comments below. I want to know what you think about this product. Till next time, don't forget, tips to know.